Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe.
Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka
Know
7.
also, O best among the twice born, the names of those who are the most distinguished amongst ourselves, the leaders of my army. These I name to thee for thy information.
Chapter 1, Shloka 7. अस्माकन्तु विशिष्टाये तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते.
In the previous three shlokas, 4, 5 and 6, we heard Duryodhan enumerating the names of all the heroes and mighty personalities in the Pandava army. Why did he do that? Because Dhritarashtra wanted to know from Sanjay, who is the reporter, about what is happening in the battle of Kurukshetra, where both the armies, the Pandavas and Kauravas, have assembled ready to fight. Now in this shloka, Duryodhan is addressing Dronacharya as twice born. A Brahmin is known as twice born because of his inner spiritual development. Then he is telling him, now I am going to enumerate to you all the mighty heroes on our sides who are going to lead the army. And why is he doing this? He says, I am doing it for your information. See, earlier also we saw that whatever Duryodhan said, it was an expression of the mental conflict which was going on in his mind. Now here also we see that thing continuing. We are finding that in spite of having great heroes in the Kaurava army too, but Duryodhan is feeling little nervous. He is not feeling confident. And because he is not feeling confident, he is telling Dronacharya the names of the leaders in his side. We have seen when our motives are impure, then we thrust our ideas on the opposite person. Here, again we are finding that Duryodhan is doubting the loyalty of Dronacharya. And because of all this, he is feeling very weak and he is continuing to talk and he is expecting some words of solace from Dronacharya. But Dronacharya was silent. He did not say anything. What happened after this, we will see in the next shloka.
See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.